already. You ever hear the saying that you can't pour from an empty cup? In the laundry, it's always good to buy products that make the experience fun. Oh, what fun. Dryer sheet. It's nighttime / morning. I am in very much dire need of self-care. Just happens to be really late. I definitely need that before I do anything else and complete any other task for today. Long, tough week already. And I believe in speaking life and making the best of things, no matter what. Whenever you are having a rough time, it is always imperative for you to connect with your Creator, for you to connect with your Heavenly Father. Talking to Him is like what I'm doing with you all, having a conversation. Although I don't feel like it, and I'm struggling with that. I always feel better when I implement self-care into the equation of my life. It is a necessity. You have to make sure you're pouring, you have to make sure that you are pouring, giving, serving, whatever you do, whatever you're called to do, from a place of wholeness. You ever hear the saying that you can't pour from an empty cup? That's what it means. Let's go. I'm taking the liberty of using this deep moisture again, and I bought only one just to make sure that if I didn't like it, I only had to clear out one bottle. Well, guess what? I like it. Also have been working on laundry, by the way, and a tip just in case you are dreading the laundry. It's always good to buy products that make the experience fun. Downy Infusions, lavender and vanilla bean. This is fabric softener. Ever since I got into fabric softener, it's made laundry a bit more enjoyable for me to do. And plus, I mean, I washed it in this too. It's just something that when you smell good yourself from your hygiene and body care, and then also you implement that in your laundry with fabric softener, scent boosters, all of the above, not just the laundry pods. Add a little jazz on it. Put some fabric softener in there. And some dryer sheets too. That way you're smelling good as well as what you wear. And the scent boosters and the fabric softeners, most are made to last longer and last 24 hours until your next wash. So it's a win-win. From the first wash to the last that I wash this again, it's going to smell great unless I'm cooking, frying food in it or something. Then otherwise it'll be okay. Let's get these into the dryer here because we gotta load. Connecting with your Creator, but just winding down in all aspects. I mean, no more timeline scrolling on any social media site. I'm guilty of that. And setting the mood there so that way your body is conditioned to be like, okay, I'm going to rest. At this time, it is winter. So snuggle up with the the cozy comforters. Now I'm going to implement a little of what I shared on how to shower in the winter months and really treat myself. Getting this together, Summer's Eve nighttime cleanse and wash. I understand that that may not be for everyone, There's other brands out there, Vagisil, FDS. Don't ask me what it stands for right now. I'll put it on the screen. The deep moisture, I think I'm going to have to invest in a bigger pump size. You know, the pump size that Bill says. That's the best way to do it when you're trying a body wash you've never tried before. Just get the regular size or the slightly smaller size, or if they have a trial size, get that. See how you like it. I know that will make you a little mad, but it's better than buying the full size and possibly wasting money on something that you may not like. Getting to the bottom when you have to, you know, whoop on the bottle a little bit, get it out, and you have to set it upside down in your shower. Since I use Deep Moisture Dove body wash, might as well continue the trend intensive moisturizing body cream. I got this from Bell's Outlet. Smell like fireworks tonight. I can spray it, and this body cream is not made everything greasy for me to handle. Just look at it, it's just getting stuck. I still got a ways to go. I'm not gonna bother with it. I think these are dry for the most part. Wait, I want to fold this. I've done a load since my last cleaning at a particular hour. Separate them. I wonder what type of clothing. This is a dress. This is oh, what fun. Dryer sheet.